I'm Dr. M. Fatima from SIRT. Today I'm taking one more example of AC bridge. The example is an AC bridge is in balance with the following constants. Arm AB is having resistance in series with inductor, that is Z1, and arm BC is having a resistance in series with capacitor. So BC, this is the Z2. Arm CD is unknown, this Z4 is unknown, and arm DA is equal to 450 ohm. So DA is having 450 ohm resistance, pure resistance. The oscillator frequency, that is the input frequency, is of 1 kilohertz. Now, find the constants of arm CD, that is Z4. So first of all, take the Z1. Z1 is actually the combination of resistance in series with capacitor, sorry, with inductor. So I can write R plus J omega L. The value of R is here 200 ohms. So I wrote here 200 ohm. The value of L is equal to 15.9 millihenry. That is 15.9 into 10 raised to minus 3. Multiply by omega. Omega is 2 pi f. That is 2 into pi into f is 1 kilohertz. If I am solve this term, 2 into pi into 100, 1 into 10 raised to 3 multiplied by 15.9 into 10 raised to minus 3. So this is going to give 100. So the Z1 is equal to R plus J omega L. Now this becomes equal to 200 plus J 100 ohm. Now Z2 is the combination of resistance in series with capacitor. So I can write R plus 1 upon J omega C. The value of a resistance is here 300 ohm. So I wrote here 300 ohm minus, since J is taken in the numerator, so I wrote here minus, and this is J. Now the 1 by omega C, that is 1 by 2 into pi into 1 into 10 raised to 3 into capacitor value is 0.265 into 10 raised to minus 6. So this value is going to give 600 ohms. So the Z2 becomes 300 minus J 600. We know that the value of this Z3, this is equal to 450 ohm. Only the Z4 is unknown. So I can apply the balance condition. If the bridge is at balance, so the balance condition can be applied Z1, Z4 equal to Z2, Z3. So let us we do the calculation. Z1, Z4 equal to Z2, Z3. So Z4 is equal to how much? Z2, Z3 divided by Z1. So I wrote here this Z2, Z3 upon Z1. Now write the values of Z2 and Z3 and Z1. So the value of Z4 can be calculated. So value of Z2 is 450 cm. Value of Z2 is how much? Value of Z2 is 300 minus J into 600. Right. Just wait. So put the value of Z2, Z3 and Z1. The value of Z2 is 300 minus J 600. Multiply by the value of Z3 is 450 ohm. So here 450 ohm. Divided by Z1. Z1 is equal to 200 plus J 100. By solving this, do the rationalization of this and take the, if you rationalize, that is multiply the denominator and numerator by 200 minus J 100 and doing solving. So this will be giving the value of J 150. So this result actually indicates that this impedance Z4 is a pure inductor, since here the resistance value is equal to 0. So this is showing the impedance value. So I can write the value of the reactance XL equal to 2 pi FL. Now I can calculate the value of L. This L is equal to XL upon 2 pi F. 2 pi f L equal to XL upon 2 pi f. And now what is the value of XL? The value of XL is 150 here. So 150 divided by 2 pi multiplied by 1 kilo. That is 1 into 10 raised to 3. So this is going to give the value of inductor equal to 23.9 millihenry. So this completes this lecture. Thank you.